Many a times when we work with the APPUI or any Visual Builder development with the help of Visual Builder Studio, we create n number of branches, remote branches as well as the local branches. So local branches I'm not going to touch in this class, but remote branches, if you have created n number of branches, you might find it difficult to find which branch is currently in use and which we need to migrate, or which has been already moved to the production, or which got merged with the main branch. Now suppose let's consider that a developer is working on some bug fix or a CR as part of this branch 01. Once the team lead has merged the changes with the main branch, then we shouldn't use branch 01 anymore. So let's see how we can delete this branch 01 or the sub branches of our main branch in this class. So in order to delete any branch in a Git repository, first we have to go to the Git, select the appropriate Git repository and then the branch. So selecting branch is not necessary, just navigate to the appropriate Git repository. Next you will see over here something called as ref. Click on this. Here you will get an option that is to delete the branches. You won't get an option to delete the main branch, but you can delete this branch 01 or the sub branch. Click on this and click on I want to delete the branch. Click on this delete. So as soon as you click on delete, that branch will be gone off from this Git repository. So like this we can delete any branch in the Git repository with the help of Visual Builder Studio.